Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kraken mobile app securely, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Kraken mobile app on your device's home screen or app drawer. Tap on the app icon to open it. Once the app loads, you will see the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly, as it is case sensitive. If applicable, enable the Remember Me option for quicker access in the future. For added security, consider activating two-factor authentication. If you've not set it up yet, you can do this through your account settings on the Kraken website. After filling in your credentials, press the Login button to proceed. If the credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. In case of incorrect login information, a prompt will appear. Review the error message and make necessary corrections to your email or password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password through your email. Once logged in, consider reviewing your account security settings. Ensure that your app is up to date for the latest security features. Always log out after each session if using a shared device. This will help keep your account secure from unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.